Why plant-based eating is affordable.
A plant-based diet doesn't have to break the bank. Staples like beans, lentils, rice, oats, and seasonal produce are often less expensive than processed foods or meat. By focusing on whole plant foods, you can save money while enjoying nourishing and satisfying meals. With some smart habits and planning, eating plant-based is both budget-friendly and healthy.
Plan ahead, the key to savings.
Start by making a weekly meal plan and shopping list. This helps reduce impulse buys and food waste. Plan meals around what's already in your pantry and take advantage of store flyers for the best produce deals. Preparing meals in batches also saves time, money, and ensures you have healthy, plant-based options ready to eat.
Affordable protein choices.
You don't need pricey meat substitutes to get enough protein. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and peanut butter are all protein-rich and typically inexpensive. Buy dried beans and lentils in bulk for even more savings. Rotating these ingredients into your meals ensures quality nutrition without straining your budget.
Buy smart. Shop seasonally and in bulk.
Seasonal and local produce is often cheaper and fresher. Visit farmers markets or check for sales on fruits and vegetables that are in season. Buying grains, nuts, and seeds in bulk can save you money and reduce packaging waste. Frozen fruits and veggies are also affordable and just as nutritious.
Simple recipes and leftovers.
Stick to easy, versatile recipes using minimal ingredients. Dishes like soups, grain bowls, stews, and stir-fries are both filling and cost-effective. Repurpose leftovers into new meals to get the most from your groceries and prevent waste. Embracing simplicity in the kitchen can help your wallet and your wellness.